Okay, here's a quick follow-up of the two trig equations I just did in a video not too long ago. And I think this one is maybe minus here. Let me think. I think that's what we did. Okay, so, and again, remember in DESMOS, you can type in the word pi. If you go to the wrench, if you're like, mine does not look like yours, go to the wrench, and we want to go from, say, negative pi to positive, and I'm just typing in the word pi and it will change it for you. And I want my step to be pi over 12. Okay, so again, pi divide by 12, and that's what we did in my previous video. Make sure you're on radians here. So you can see that this graph looks exactly like we did. Here's our mid. So we did mid, high, mid, low, mid, high, mid, low, and it looks identical. So I know I did that one right. Okay, let's look at the next one. And this is the second one in my video. Now notice this almost looks linear because this is so slow. Remember, we did units of pi on this one. So I'm going to go to my wrench. And on this one, what did we have? We had -3 to 1 for the y values. So I'm just going to go maybe -4 to 1, just a little bit past what we had. And then for my angles, we went from -2 pi to 6 pi. So I'll go kind of the same. That's only going to show us just a tiny piece of that, but that's okay. We can always, scroll out 6 pi. And then my step here is going to be like pi, okay? And so this is that second graph I did. And so if you look at ours, we started at a low, right? So this looks like ours. We had a mid at -1, our high was at 1. And, if you want to scroll in a little bit, you can. If you want to scroll out, you can. But then we can check our answer and be like, yep, that looks exactly like the graph we did by hand. All right, hopefully that helps.